18 kilometers from the city of Osku in northwestern Iran, nestled on the slopes of Mount Sahand, known as the sleeping giant of Azerbaijan, lies the village of Kandovan. Unlike ordinary villages built with bricks and wood, Kandovan is one of only 3 rocky villages in the world. But this story isn't about its unique geography. Instead, it's a tale passed down through generations, told by grandparents to their grandchildren with heavy heart on cold winter night. About 800 years ago, the slopes of Mount Sahand were home to a joyful community of herders. By day, men tended their flocks across the lush plain. Women in vibrant clothing fetched water from springs and baked bread, and children's laughter echoed through the valleys. Life was peaceful and idyllic until Sahand's wrath changed everything. The sleeping giant awoke, erupting as a volcano with such a fury that the villagers had no chance to flee. They were buried beneath molten lava. As the lava cooled, it formed conical, sugarloaf-shaped rocks, silent memory of to the men, women, and children entombed within. Sahand, its anger spent, returned to its slumber centuries. Years later, a new group of villagers known as Hilavar sought refuge near these rocks to escape Mongol invaders. Desperate for safe shelter, they were drawn to the strange formations. Grandparents recount how, at night, voices rose from the sugarloaf rocks, echoing through the villagers' tents, spirit beckoning them to the stones. The resourceful Hilavar began carving into the rocks, which were soft enough to shape with simple tools, yet sturdy enough to withstand natural disasters. And so they settled among the rocks, creating homes within them. For generations, the spirits of Kandovan have guarded its people, their whispered warding of thieves and evildoers, their voices ringing clear in the night. But lately, the spirits have begun murmuring something's new. The sleeping giant of Azerbaijan is stirring once more.